How to turn on or turn off trace debuggable applications with system tracing on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra or Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. And here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. After that, scroll down and then tap on system tracing. From here, go down to the trace settings section and tap on trace debuggable applications. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.